Okay, that's weird.
Knuckles! You down there? Oh, there he is. He's dying. He's over there.
Oh.
Yep, there he is. He has a bomb!
What the heck? Knuckles.
I got that from the water.
His anus.
This anus is crazy.
Are you two gonna behave?
Not me. I actually just hit my hand, bro. My finger is probably discombobulated right now.
Dumb.
What finger?
No, this one. This one on my left controller. I actually just hit my finger.
Get
Oh,
him.
my fucking...
Get him. Get him.
Ah, fell.
G-Bagger. G-Bagger.
Get that bullshit out of here.
G-Bagger. G-Bagger. G-Bagger.
I'm going to punch you. I swear.
G-Bagger. Ow.
Ow.
Are you good?
Uncle Sonic, he's committing child abuse. Get him arrested.
Shit.
G-Bagger.
Yeah, he's
Knuckles.
No. No.
Don't make me get Maddie to ground you again.
What?
Maddie from the Sonic movie. If she ground you in the series of Knuckles.
Okay. Yeah.
You're grounded.
Fuck!
Donald Trump.
Are you fucking sick?
Both of you are dumb.
There's no way.
Cream, no, Cream, no. Get
Spit in your
that,
eye.
flick your ass. That's alcohol.
That's not alcohol.
That was alcohol.
No, it's even worse, bro. That's bleach.
What?
I'm going back for it.
God damn it, my water weakness. I just spit.
I can swim.
It was worse though.
Mr.
It was-
Shadow
You're not
Dog.
real
You
cream.
did not drink
What do you do to the
alcohol.
real
That was
cream?
bleach.
I need to go find Shadow when we die.
I mean, what do you mean I am cream?
Bullshit.
What do you mean bullshit? I mean, what do you mean?
What does that mean?
Oops.
You faker.
He's silver.
Silver, what the?
Don't ask how I did that.
Why?
Don't ask how I did that.
Why did you do that?
Oh, hello.
Why?
Don't ask how. And,
Why did
and
you
I'm not
do
telling you.
that?
You did what?
Oh,
Because I'm black.
I'm gonna go die in the water. Bye guys, I'm dying. Oh. I died. Oh, I got splashy sounds. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on the world sound so you guys can hear. ASMR sound. Look at these splashies. And they finally come looking for me, or they're just, yep, they're just going to the lava. While Sonic is dying, drowning, while these two are just out and about and just looking for emeralds, probably. Can someone do like a little animation of this? Hey Knuckles, do you want to just go and go find the emeralds and let Sonic drown? Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. What, Sonic? I can't hear you. You're underwater.
Alright. Totally kidding. Would you kiss me?
What?
I'm gonna tell your mama that you kissed me, Sonic. I'm gonna tell all 1,000 moms that you kissed me.
I only have like 5, but there's mostly
You
like
have too many. You
like,
have too many.
there's
Share.
most-
Give some to the rest of us.
There's mostly 2.
You have too many. Share.
No, it's a long claw and Maddie, and that's it.
Even Rouge has one.
No, she has 2.
Oh yeah.
Sanado cups. It's my drink, and there's shadows. And chili dog. Give me a chili dog.
Sonic, are you drowning?
I'm right here.
Oh, where? Oh, oops. I'm sorry. I'm dumb.
I was trying to say, Shadow, be mean to yourself one more time. I swear you are gonna get bitten all over, and you'll be the one that's getting pregnant. Stop eating the emerald!
I took a bit off of it,
No!
and it kind of hurt to swallow.
Give it! My God, what the?
I'm gonna buy all the emeralds and see what all of them taste like.
No!
No, I want that one. That one's mine.
No!
I want to eat that one. Let me get it flavor. No, I dropped it. No, I gotta go get the other ones.
No! He's in his stomach. Oh my God! No, he's getting no, Shadow, no!
Give me. Yes, it's mine. My emerald to eat, Sonic. You'll never get it.
Shadow! You butthead! Where'd he go? Where? I got no. I can't go straight there. I have to go this way. I have to go get. He's getting a white one. I got to get a blue one. No. Where is it? Oh, here it is. God damn. Okay. No.
Give me that. No, I need to taste that one. It's blue.
No.
The blue and green ones are my favorite. Give me.
No.
Give me have it. Fine, then I'll go for the.
I'm going the other one too. I'm clicking. I'm flapping my tail. No, he's already there. Shadow. No, you back. You're back. I gotta get the other one. I gotta get.
I'm going for that purple one, Sonic.
No, I am.
Try to get across the water, you won't.
What do you say? What do you say?
Yes, it's mine. You can have it.
But
You can have it. I don't want it. I hate grape. Why not? I want the blue one.
No.
Give me a blue one. Give me have it.
No.
Give me have it. Give me have it. Give me have it. He's going to touch his finger.
We. Shadow. What's that nose? Shadow. 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 What? Damn it!
Give me! Yes! Drink water. I'm gonna go drink salt water because it has rocks in it.
Never. Okay, children never eat emeralds. Otherwise, you see that pointy thing? Yeah, that poked up like on my tongue. Ow! I only have one option. Lava. Oh no, puppy. Where if you do the big eyes for this video. Get back here, puppy. Free sniffing boy. Where are you sniffing? Oh. What are you doing? Shadow. Shadow? Where oh, your tail's wagging. Where are you sniffing, boy? Where are you sniffing? No, don't eat it. No, that. Get it. Hi, buddy. What? Who is it, buddy? Yep. You good? Are you looking for the dark blue one? I'm not telling you where it is. Oh no. I gotta run first. Nah! My weakness. No, no. As long as I don't look at as long I don't look at him right in the freaking normal face, I am good. But at the same time, I might be dead. Why are you defeating me with adorableness? You're really killing my heart. I swear. Okay, I'll tell you. Why does it beat me? It's okay, I'll show you. Come here. Yes, sir. What? Damn! Give it. Bad boy. No, give it. Shadow! You freaking dog! Give it! I'm just laying here. No, I'm just laying. I won't grab it. Hold on a minute. Oh no, I'm gonna drown. Sit. I swear. Good boy. Now, we don't eat emeralds. Don't learn from your other shadow, okay? Don't hurt me. Are you gonna listen? And no trees for later. Then be good. Wet me? No. No sounds you make. Ow. You're gonna eat it. Your most favorite color is the green one. I know.
But I want it! But I want it! But I want it! Give me the emerald baker.
Wow, you were going. I'm just kidding.
Give me the emerald back, you blue hedgehog.
I'm your husband.
Husband hedgehog, they both start with H. Give me the emerald, you heckin' heck.
I'm not giving you.
Give me the emerald.
Bad.
No, you'll give me the blue one, so I'll eat the green one. The green ones are my favorite.
You can't eat them. We need them for future reference when Eggman decides to do something dumb again.
If Eggman does something dumb, I can throw them back up and we can put them back together. There's a thing called super glue, you know. Or so we can reverse time.
Of the chaos. Good.
What?